So welcome to Black Hat Hacking series. So in this video we'll work on how to make our Trojans look like more original and how to change their icons so that people will trust it. So let's work on. So as you can see in our last video we have exploited our victim computer and we gained the control of our victim machine. So let's remove it. We'll uninstall our Trojan from his computer and we left him. So this is our payload. This is our Trojan. You can say a rat, backdoor, anything we can call it, which we have to send it to our victim computer again, but not like this way, by changing the icon. So what we will do, we have a tool named as Celeste File Binder. I extract here 1, 2, 3. Double click Celeste. So this binder opens where I add my Trojan file which we have created from Ramcos in last video, and I also have a PDF like this, any simple like invoice which you can send it to some business people or like that, and I can add the invoice.pdf. Now we need to change the icon as well. You can get a lot of icon files from the internet. Like I have a PDF icon as well. So I go to binder, configure stub icon, load icon. On the desktop we have PDF icon, close. Now binder, build final stub with the name of maybe invoice.pdf. So if you see, a new file is created, invoice.pdf, which is same looking like this one, but this is a original PDF. This is not original PDF. It have the Trojan and PDF both pointed in that. So what we have to do is we have to copy it and send it to victim computer. Paste. So now if you see, if I double click on this file, the PDF opens. If you double click on the file, PDF opens in your PDF reader or in the Chrome, anywhere it can open. And here if you see, you got the victim control as well. So with Celeste you are also able to change the icon and you are also able to bind it with some file. But one thing you have to remember is maybe the file is looking like PDF and in the extension it's showing you PDF, but actually it's still a exe file. If you can see, type of file is exe. From here you always go to the properties of the files, because normally anyone can make fool of you like this way. So it's a exe file but looking like a PDF. Now in the later series of the videos I'll also explain you that how we can make a real PDF file, a doc file, a Excel file, a Word file, which we can send it to victim computer, and from that even we'll be able to hack even. But there is a different story behind it, a different strategy behind it, where the file will not be exe, the file will be really the PDF or the Word, which we'll cover later on. But still, now if you see, the file is not FUD, the Trojans is detectable by the antivirus, so we have to use some crypto, which I'll also show you in the later series, through which we'll be able to make it undetectable by the antivirus. Only then we have to send it. Now one thing more, from email you cannot send a exe file. Gmail, Yahoo, they never allow to send a exe file. So this file as well we cannot send it through the email. So I'll show you different methods even later on this series of the social engineering, that how we can send this file to the people as well. So I hope you liked the session, and if you have any doubts, any queries or any suggestions through which we can make the videos better, please let us know. Thank you for watching.